2025 isn't just another year in the digital world. It's the year where AI becomes the new internet. We've moved past the stage of just experimenting with AI. Now, people are quietly building entire income streams using these tools, without a single line of code. And here's the crazy part: the barrier to entry has never been lower. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to build your own AI models. You just need to understand how to use the right tools in the right way to turn automation, content, and creativity into income. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money using AI tools in 2025 with real, practical strategies that anyone can start today. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, small business owner, or someone just looking to earn extra income on the side, this video is your roadmap to monetizing the AI revolution. Let's get into it. Content creation and monetization. The first and most accessible way to make money with AI is through content creation, because content drives everything online. In 2025, AI tools can help you create faster, smarter, and more profitably than ever before. Let's break it down. You can use AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Notion AI to script YouTube videos, write blog posts, or even create ebooks in a fraction of the time. Then use Midjourney or Ideogram to generate visuals, and 11 Labs or HeyGen for realistic voiceovers or AI presenters. That means you can now build an entire content business solo in just hours. For example, create a YouTube automation channel where AI writes scripts, generates voiceovers, and edits videos automatically. Build a blog using AI-written posts optimized with tools like Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer, and monetize through ads and affiliate links. Or sell digital info products like short ebooks, Notion templates, or online courses written and designed with AI help. The key is volume plus quality. AI lets you produce at scale, but you still need your human touch, storytelling, emotion, and understanding what your audience truly values. Here's the mindset. AI doesn't replace creators. It multiplies them. Freelancing with AI assistance. The second big moneymaker, freelancing powered by AI. This is one of the fastest, most realistic paths to income if you're starting from zero. Think about it. Businesses are desperate for help with content, marketing, design, and automation, but most don't know how to use AI effectively. That's your opportunity. Use tools like ChatGPT for writing blogs, captions, and emails. Canva Magic Studio for creating designs and social posts. Gamma.app for presentation design. Runway ML or Pika Labs for video editing and animation. You don't need to tell clients you're using AI, you're providing a result, not a method. Offer freelance services like copywriting and content marketing, video editing and repurposing, AI-powered social media management, automation setup for small businesses. A great strategy is to pick a niche, say, AI-powered marketing for real estate agents, and use AI to handle 80% of the work. You can easily make $2,000 to $5,000 per month just freelancing with AI assistance if you treat it like a real business. Selling AI-powered digital products. Here's where passive income gets interesting. In 2025, AI tools let you create digital products faster and cheaper than ever. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Leonardo AI, and Descript to design and package products people actually want. Think about ebooks made with ChatGPT plus Canva. Online courses scripted and recorded with AI voices. Notion templates or productivity dashboards. Digital planners, resumes, or brand kits. You can sell these on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. And the best part? Once created, these products keep generating income while you sleep. The formula is simple. Identify a niche with demand, productivity, personal finance, small business, etc. Create one high-value product using AI. Use AI again to write the product descriptions, social captions, and email sequences to sell it. Every single step, creation, design, marketing, can now be assisted by AI. That's how individuals are building entire passive income ecosystems without touching code or hiring anyone. Building an AI consulting side hustle. Now, here's a higher income path: AI consulting for businesses. And no, you don't need to be an AI engineer. You just need to understand how to apply existing tools to real problems. Businesses today are overwhelmed by the AI boom. They know they should use it, but they don't know where to start. If you can show them how to automate emails, generate leads, or create social content using tools like Zapier, ChatGPT, and Make.com, they'll happily pay you. You can charge $500 to $5,000 per project, depending on the complexity. Start small, help a few local businesses automate their social media or customer replies. Document your process. Then scale, position yourself as an AI workflow consultant. By mid-2025, small business automation is becoming a goldmine, and consultants who understand AI tools will be in massive demand. Affiliate marketing with AI content. If you like the idea of passive income but don't want to sell your own product, this one's for you. Affiliate marketing with AI is one of the most scalable income models right now. You promote other people's digital products or software and earn commissions on every sale while AI handles the heavy lifting. Here's how to set it up. Pick a niche you care about: fitness, finance, productivity, tech. Use AI to create blog posts, YouTube videos, or TikToks reviewing products in that niche. Let tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude handle the writing, while Pictory, Runway, or Descript help you turn content into video. Use Durable or Wix AI to create a quick landing page to collect emails and redirect to affiliate offers. As your content grows, your commissions start compounding. This model can start slow, maybe $100 in the first month, but with consistency, it can become a full-time passive income stream. The secret is consistency plus smart use of AI for scaling content output. Automating small business services. This is one of the least talked about but most powerful income streams. Most small businesses are drowning in repetitive tasks: appointment scheduling, emails, social media, data entry. And you can automate all that with no coding. Tools like Zapier, Make, Tally, and Notion AI allow you to connect apps and create automation systems. For example, auto-send invoices when a form is filled. Auto-post Instagram content generated by AI. Auto-generate weekly reports using Google Sheets plus ChatGPT. You can build and sell these automations as done-for-you services. Even a few local clients paying $300 to $500 per month can add up to a solid side income, all for workflows you build once. This is the new version of digital marketing automation as a service. And in 2025, it's booming. AI voice and video monetization. Another exciting space is AI-generated media. Tools like 11 Labs, HeyGen, Runway ML, and Pika have made it ridiculously easy to create professional videos, ads, and voiceovers. You can use this in multiple ways. Start a faceless YouTube channel using AI voices and avatars. Offer voiceover services using AI-generated voices. Create AI explainer videos or ads for small businesses. These tools can generate videos in minutes that look like they cost thousands. And here's a pro tip: pair these tools with ChatGPT for scripting and Descript for editing, and you can churn out content for clients or your own channels faster than ever. It's the perfect example of using AI as a leverage machine for creativity. Selling prompts, templates, and workflows. Here's the underrated moneymaker most people ignore: selling AI prompts and workflows. Think about it. As AI tools evolve, what people really pay for isn't the tool, it's how to use it effectively. You can create prompt packs for ChatGPT or Midjourney, custom Notion dashboards, automation templates for Zapier or Make, AI workflow tutorials, and sell them on PromptBase, Etsy, or Gumroad. People are paying $10 to $100 plus for well-crafted prompts that save them hours. If you've experimented with AI tools, you can turn that knowledge into a product fast. This is digital gold. You create it once, and it keeps earning you passive income indefinitely. AI-powered coaching or online courses. Let's talk about leveraging your expertise with AI's help. Even if you're not an expert, AI can help you structure and deliver valuable knowledge. Use ChatGPT or Claude to outline course modules, Synthesia or HeyGen to record video lessons, and Teachable or Podia to host them. Courses on topics like productivity, career growth, and AI for beginners are exploding in 2025. You can easily start a coaching or digital education brand powered by AI tools that handle writing, design, video editing, and marketing. The best part, once your course is built, it becomes a recurring income stream with almost no overhead. Building your personal brand with AI leverage. Finally, if you want long-term, sustainable income, this is the ultimate move. In 2025, your personal brand is your most valuable asset, and AI can help you grow it faster than ever. Use tools like Opus Clip to repurpose long videos into short clips, ChatGPT for content planning and social captions, Canva Magic Write and Leonardo AI for post visuals, Metricool or Publer to automate posting. Then monetize through sponsorships, product launches, consulting, affiliate links. The people who use AI to amplify their personal brand, not replace it, are the ones building real wealth. So, let's recap. In 2025, AI isn't just a tool, it's an entire ecosystem of opportunity. You can use it to create and monetize content, automate freelance work, build digital products, consult for businesses, or even earn passively from templates, prompts, and affiliate marketing. And the best part? You don't need to code. You just need creativity, consistency, and the courage to start. The people who win in this AI revolution aren't the most technical. They're the ones who take action and learn how to make AI work for them. Because the truth is, AI isn't replacing humans. It's replacing humans who refuse to use it. So start today. Experiment, create, build something small, and let AI handle the rest while you sleep.